Alright, so we're doing a little thing. I've had this video idea in my head for a little bit, and I finally decided to act on it. Um, so essentially the concept is we're gonna listen to some Micheal Jackson songs, and whenever Micheal Jackson makes a weird sound, the video is gonna end. I feel like this has been made. This video, like the same concept, has been made by other creators, but I'm gonna do it now. What song should we go? We should. Let's do "Bad."
Pennsylvania, it's up to you.
All right. Let's see. Any weird sound that he makes is gonna end the video. I don't own this music. Oh, there you go.